You're on TV. This is Rohit Parab. And Rohit is entrepreneur, security expert,
Yeah,
Linuxer,
yeah, Linux.
PHPer,
Yeah,
and a lot of things. And he's the best friend you can ever have when you are in Bombay. Except that he's not available.
No,
And he doesn't drink.
and he doesn't drink, yes, that's a big point. So, okay, Rohit, thanks. Can you just share your experience about being an entrepreneur and being a security guy first and then being an entrepreneur with other guys, who can take the same path or whatever, right?
okay.
So, where did you start? Where did you start? How did you start? What do you do?
Okay, for first, before coming into security, I was not even knowing how to program. So I joined some course. So over there I heard something called hacking. Okay, so I just heard word that there is something called hacking. So when I heard, it was like, I was curious to know what can be done, what things happen behind the scenes. So I tried googling up. I ended up on one of the forums and IRCs, hashed admins, where I met a lot of interesting people like Manu Zakaria sir, KV Prashant sir. They guided me, you should start with something that will help you, like programming, clearing basic TCP/IP concepts, then OS concepts. I didn't know anything about that when they told me, but I started googling. I learned basics. Once I learned basics, I was like, but still I was not knowing any programming language. So I was like handicapped in the field of security because I was not knowing any programming language. I didn't know how to code. After some period of time, I was still trying to learn programming. Once I compiled my first code on myself, I was so happy. And then I came into programming and I just loved programming. So I switched my tracks from security to programming, and then I started developing products for consumer-based products for shops, web applications, desktop applications.
So tell us about what you're doing now, your current portal which you're setting up.
Okay, so right now what I'm working on is into the field of education. We have a lot of problems in the education field. Now everything is changing. India is changing, switching over from offline to online. There are no websites which can provide you old university question papers. When any student who's scoring 90 marks or 60 marks, they prepare previous year's papers. Without that, no one goes for the exam because that's the only reference we have. We expect that will come. Okay. There are no online website which will provide you that in a correct manner. Okay, many websites are there which provide images of question papers, but images are just like Xeroxes. You cannot do Control F. You can't find. So what we have created a website where we have everything in text. So you can just, it's like Google. Whatever you're looking for, you can just type in the search field and you'll get the results within fraction of seconds. You don't need to waste your time. What we are trying to do is, we are trying to cut down the time that students waste to prepare for their exams, finding questions. Instead, they can use our website and save their time and use that time in understanding the concepts of the answers, not finding the questions. So a future goal what we are trying is, once we have crowd, we have some better plans to make them understand the questions, answers conceptually.
Got it?
Yeah.
So any message for the wannabe or the college guys who are wanting to get into programming or this thing?
There are a lot of resources available. You just have to try and don't give up unless and until you learn. I tried learning programming for 1.5 years. After that, I got all the basic concepts, fundamentals, how these things work. Till then, I didn't give up. I'm not understanding it. You should try, never give up.
Good. Thanks a lot. And good luck for your portal.
Yeah, thank you.
कैसा होगा मैं तो दिखाना पहले बाद में
मैं सब कॉपी